Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Oppo Reno 11 Pro 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to take slow motion video in your phone Oppo Reno 11 Pro 5G. First of all, open camera in your phone and here click on more button and click on SLO option. This is slow motion option and now record slow motion video. Here I am recording this video. I start record button and while recording it will be like a normal video, but after playing the video you will see the slow motion. I am recording this video and I stop the video and play the video that I took. See here, this is the video I am playing and see the result. Video is in slow motion. So in this way you can easily record slow motion video. You can easily take slow motion video in your phone Oppo Reno 11 Pro 5G smartphone. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.